Hi and welcome to our Git tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about Git Basic Workflow. Git is a distributed version control system that allows multiple developers to collaborate on a project. The basic workflow in Git typically involves the following steps. 1. Initialize a repository. Create a new Git repository or clone an existing one. This is usually done with the Git init. In this example, we make a new repository by using the mkdir command. After that, we go into that repository and run git init to set it up as a place where we can track changes to our files. 2. Working directory. Your local working directory is where you make changes to your files. You can create, edit, and delete files as needed. 3. Staging area. Use the git add command to stage changes for the next commit. Staging allows you to selectively include changes in the next commit. Command #stage all changes $git add. #stage specific files $git add file1 file2. The git add command is used to stage all the changes in your working directory for the next commit. Git add file1 file2. This command tells Git to add file1 and file2 to the staging area. In other words, you're specifying these particular files to be part of the next commit. 4. Commit changes. Once you've staged your changes, commit them using the git commit command. This creates a snapshot of the changes with a commit message describing the modifications. Command $git commit your commit message here. Git commit file updated. This command takes all the changes in the staging area and creates a new commit. The flag allows you to add a short message describing what changes were made in this commit. In this example, file updated is the commit message. 5. Branches. Use branches to work on different features or fixes independently. The git branch and git checkout commands help with branch management. Command $git checkout b branch name. Git checkout b, this part creates a new branch and immediately switches to it. New feature, this is the name of the new branch. 6. Merge changes. After completing work on a branch, merge it back into the main branch, for example, master. The git merge command combines changes from different branches. Command $git merge branch name. In this example, first you switch to master branch and then merge the changes to the new feature branch. 7. Pull and push. To collaborate with others, use git pull to fetch and merge changes from a remote repository. Use git push to upload your changes to a remote repository. The git pull origin master command is used to fetch changes from a remote repository, in this case, named origin, and merge them into the current local branch, in this case, master. The git push origin master command is used to upload or push the changes you've made in your local master branch to the remote repository. These are the fundamental steps in a basic Git workflow. Depending on the project's complexity or the collaboration model, you might also encounter more advanced Git commands and workflows.